What's up, guys? Got another project going on while I'm waiting on stuff. I'm waiting on this black mat, some more of it to come in, but I took my cluster out because half of the stuff don't work. None of my lights work. I had took it out the other day to change the lights and found out that the circuit behind it's kind of all messed up. So anyway, it's real easy to take out. There's only eight screws. You pull your speedometer cable off, just unscrew it and pop this one connector right here off. Anyway, come here, I'll show you. This is the back. What it looks like. This is speedometer cable. This was where the plug went. All this is a little circuit board, and this was my new one. Got it online. I can post a link in the bottom if you want me to. But yeah, this just interchanges. You take it right out. There's these 4 little bolts here, or nuts. Take them off. This will pop off. Looks like it's got a little connection right there, little pop holes. Anyway, I'm gonna set this down in a minute because I ain't got enough hands. But anyway, this pops off. Then I gotta figure this out because I ain't did it yet. So we're gonna figure it out. I'll get back with you. There we go. The new one is on. I just tightened everything down. And I'm guessing, because it don't come with instructions, but see, this just pushes in there like paper. So that connector, I guess, will just sit down in there. Which that's probably why you take it in and out. They ain't gonna last too long. I'm glad you can get them. Anyway, I'm gonna put it in and see if it works. Thanks for watching. Okay, we got it in. And it works. Not very bright still, but at least they work. They didn't work before, but now they're working. So I think I'm gonna get me some different light bulbs and stick in there. Maybe I can find some higher LED bright ones. But anyway, everything's working on it, so I'm happy about that.